Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobker. I'm Shabana and today's job opportunity is from Deloitte. We will discuss about all the details, but before moving further with today's video details, if you are new to the channel, then we are Jobker and here you will get videos on daily basis for different job recruitment and placement preparation. So consider subscribing to the channel as this will definitely gonna help you get to your job and you will get a job opportunity update on daily basis. So do subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. And with that note, let's quickly move further with today's video details. So Deloitte is hiring for business technology analyst and this is for SQL production support. Okay. So basically your job role will be of business technology analyst in the SQL production support field. Okay. So we will discuss key responsibilities here. So you will work with tier 1 support personnel to resolve client issues in a timely manner and provide tier 2 support to resolve technical issues related to all the compensation tools. Then liaison between business and technology with an understanding of full life cycle of system development with agile methodology, then collecting understanding and transmitting the business requirement for the project and translating item into functional specifications and a detailed phase, and ensure business requirements and functional specifications are resolved and fulfilled, ensure issues are identified, tracked, reported, and resolved in a timely manner, and perform unit and system level testing on the applications, consistently meet client expectations and project deadlines, and evaluate problems of the customer and provide logical lasting solutions, and work with a business owner to identify information needs to develop SSRS reports. Okay, so these will be your responsibilities as the analyst. Okay, so here आपको यहाँ पर टेस्टिंग का काम भी मिल सकता है लाइक फॉर सम सिस्टम लेवल टेस्टिंग एंड दे हैव ऑल्सो टॉक्ड अबाउट डेवलपमेंट इन अजाइल मेथोडोलॉजी, तो वो भी रहेगा. So that will be depending on the project and on the requirement. Okay, so these will be your key responsibilities and now we will talk about key skill required. Okay, so 0 to 2 years of 0 to 2 years of problem solving and solid analytical skills. तो अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग आता है एंड अगर आपका एनालिटिकल स्किल्स अच्छा है तो आप इसके लिए एलिजिबल हैं. एंड सेल्फ स्टार्टर विद सॉलिड एनालिटिकल एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स, a strong focus on self review and providing high quality deliverables. Okay, then you should have good personal organization skills and flexible enough to change direction pursuant to business demands, and comfortable working in a dynamic team environment where projects and deadlines often require multitasking and flexible work schedules. Okay, then next is high level of attention to details, ability to execute and deliver project deliverables on budget and on time, and ability to integrate rapidly with existing team including the individuals from diverse backgrounds and in a virtual setting. Then you should be capable of handling high work pressure during peak months and ability to interact with individuals at all levels of the organizations. Then you should have excellent written and oral communication skills, confident in dealing with all levels of clients both internally and externally, and you should be fluent in English. You should have a strong commitment to customer service and proficiency with Microsoft Office applications like MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and Word and Outlook, etc. Then uh, programming language, if I talk about, so you must have SQL knowledge and good to have PL SQL. Okay, So this and you should be working knowledge of relational database. Okay, then experience with Microsoft reporting technologies like SSRS, and good to have basic knowledge on VB scripting. Okay, so these are the requirements. आपको SQL आना चाहिए, और अगर आपको PL/SQL आता है तो दैट विल बी एन गुड एडवांटेज. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस एप्लीकेशन सारे आने चाहिए. इंग्लिश आपकी फ्लुएंट होनी चाहिए, और एंड VB स्क्रिप्ट अगर आपको आता है तो दैट विल बी एन एडवांटेज. योर एजुकेशन और बैकग्राउंड शुड बी कॉलेज कोर्स पर BE एंड BTech. सो इफ यू हैव डन BE एंड BTech देन यू आर एलिजिबल. BE और BTech आपने किया हुआ है तो आप इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. बैच क्राइटेरिया कोई भी नहीं है, तो कोई भी बैच इसमें अप्लाई कर सकता है. फ्रेशर्स कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई, एंड इफ यू हैव some like 1 year or 2 year of experience and you were looking for switch, then also you can try. They have not mentioned anything actually, so freshers can apply. If you have up to 1 year of experience, then you can try. Okay, so all the batches from BE and BTech can apply to this job opportunity. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा आपको, तो आपको लिंक पे जाके यहाँ अप्लाई नाउ बटन पे क्लिक करके अपना एप्लीकेशन सबमिट करना है, एंड they will coordinate to you for further process. And yeah, this is all about today's job opportunity. I hope you like the video, and if you do so, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for more job updates in future, and I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.